My biggest complaint about our interns is we don't make them make coffee.
I did just choose to make it occasionally.
SciTech is a program that works with small companies and colleges to find internships for students in STEM fields. The quality of the intern candidates through SciTech has been fantastic.
We found that they were so highly qualified that they can go to work right away, and we felt that for the success of the scientific world, we must give young students that opportunity.
In terms of our STEM job workforce, I think as soon as you get students into the lab, they're going to be able to explore what they want to do because you're not just sitting at a desk all day. It's a really hands-on experience.
Our interns are part of our core team, and we really rely on them to contribute, and they do really excellent work.
There's a huge risk when you're a small company hiring any person because that's a huge part of your team that you're now bringing on board. And so SciTech and organizations that are kind of matching this talent with the right teams can reduce that risk because now you've seen how this intern has performed over many, many months and you've integrated them into the team already. And so it's just a natural next step to make them a full-time employee, and that's what happened to me.
Minnesota has a lot of really good opportunities for students who are interested in STEM, and working with SciTech gives students the ability to find a small company to work for that really needs their talent. And of course, for employers, it's a lot easier to hire an intern you've been working with for a year than it is to go out and find a new candidate. So if we can keep that sort of flow going with the students and employers in that way, we can really build up an even stronger workforce than we have now in STEM.
Minnesota is a great place for me to figure out what my career as a scientist is going to be. I think that there are a lot of really standout companies, both large and small, that I could potentially see myself working at.
If you can go to one hub like SciTech, you have all of these companies at your fingertips if you're a student, and you have all of these students at your fingertips if you're a small company.
For a small company like mine of only 12 people, having a wage match lets us hire more interns and actually pay them a little bit more because we are getting a wage match.
I am originally from Southern California, and through the SciTech internship program, I was able to get an internship here at SciTech, and I just loved it, and I'm totally planning on staying here for a long time because I have this internship and this job here.
Being an intern really showed me that I really want to be in the lab for my future career. So at this point, I really do see myself staying in Minnesota.
Interns are really essential and they're a core part of our team. And so I'd say this is an extraordinary experience and I learned a lot.